but comparatively, relatively, the weather is not so bad. Let me hop across to my colleague Arzu, meanwhile, who's standing in Prayagraj, where the Prime Minister, accompanied by the UP Chief Minister, have arrived on board a boat, waving at the crowds who are gathered at the Triveni Sangam on the banks to do the Snan. Narendra Modi there waving at them. Arzu, let's hop across to you. I'm sure the wind has now come that the PM has arrived. A lot of people will, of course, be excited to catch a glimpse.
Absolutely, Rishabh. Right now, we are at the Arel Ghat, from where the Prime Minister has taken a boat, and from here, he has moved to the Sangam Nose, the particular place where he will be taking a holy dip on the occasion of the Magh Ashtami, and it is a very auspicious occasion on which the Prime Minister is going to take a holy dip. And also, we can clearly see a mesmerizing view on the banks of the river Ganga, where the Prime Minister has just now reached, along with the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He, in fact, yesterday also took the stock of the arrangements for the Prime Minister visit, and now also 45-day long spiritual and cultural celebration in Prayagraj. Mahakumbh is overwhelming display of the faith, devotion and spiritual unity, creating a spectacle of the spiritual grandeur witnessed every 144 years. And this is a massive, till now for more than 38 crore people have already taken a holy dip, and today Prime Minister himself have arrived at the Mahakumbh to be the part of the world largest spiritual gathering. Also would like to show you around as amid the tight security, Prime Minister has arrived in the Prayagraj. The NSG and as SPG has also taken over, and also as far as the public is concerned, it has been kept in mind that the devotees also doesn't have to face any disruption in their religious activities, and that's why Prime Minister has chosen a different route this time. So he has chosen this Arel Ghat. From here, he has moved to the Sangam Nose, where he is performing the several rituals, and at the same time, just a few meters away from here, the devotees, the public is also taking a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam. So this is a massive view we are giving here from the Prayagraj, where the Prime Minister has arrived, and he is also performing